Hello and welcome to this tutorial on recipe. The 11 Plus English Comprehension section may include a recipe. A recipe is a set of instructions for preparing a particular dish, including a list of ingredients and a method. This is a recipe on how to make a leek and potato soup. As the 11 Plus is a strictly timed exam, let's read the question straight away. How big should the cube of potatoes be? Cannot say 1 litre, 1 millimetre, or 1 centimetre. After skimming and scanning the recipe, step 2 of the method section states, cut potatoes into 1 centimetre cubes. Therefore, the answer is D, 1 centimetre. Let's look at question 2. How much boiling water will be needed for the vegetable stock? 2 litres, 1 litre, half a litre, cannot say. The answer will most likely be in the ingredients section. After skimming and scanning, the 4th bullet point states half a litre of vegetable stock. Therefore, the correct answer is option C, half a litre. Simple! To watch the full video and to have a go at our 11 Plus practice quizzes, go to ariatuition.com. That wraps up this tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.